Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online without actually doing any work and do nothing basically but what you do every day, okay? So all you're going to do with these three ways is just either log in or download, and then you just go about your everyday activity and you're gonna make money. All right guys, so let's get started. Alright guys, so the first one I'm going to show you here is Microsoft Rewards. And what Microsoft Rewards is that you could basically use the world of Microsoft to earn rewards and collect points so you could redeem them for gifts, okay? So what you really need to do is basically just log in. Basically, you just need to sign up for a Microsoft.com account. So you could sign up for free here, or if you already have an account, you can sign in. So how it works is that you need to have a Microsoft account where you can sign up, and then once you have that login, you need to be make sure that you're logged in when you're working on this, okay? The only way to earn points is that you need to be logged in for sure. The first way you can earn points is by doing search. So once you log in, you're going to go on Bing.com, and then you're going to do searching like you usually do. So instead of going, let's say, Google like you usually go, you're going to go to Bing. Because every time you do a search on there, you're going to earn 5 points. So this is exactly what it says. Sign into Microsoft account, search on Bing, and keep putting points on the board. When you level up, you earn faster. You can even boost your earning by searching Bing with Microsoft Edge. So Microsoft Edge is their internet browser. So that works as well instead of just going on Bing.com. Here's another way to earn. You earn 1 point for every dollar you spend. So if you're going to shop on the Microsoft Store, you're going to get to earn points. Anyway, if you play games or whatever and you use Microsoft video game consoles, then you can earn money or earn points this way and keep collecting points. And then here's another way to earn points is by playing, which is test your skills and earn along the way with fun and easy challenges on your rewards page and through email. So you're going to get in your email, or when you log into Microsoft, you'll get like daily offers here, or you could take some weekly quizzes on fun things, and then here's more quizzes, so like weekly or daily quizzes, and just more ways for you to earn. So when you collect all these points, you're going to be, these are some of the rewards they talk about here. You get gift cards, sweepstakes entries, and you could do nonprofit donations and much more, okay? I was looking at this page on their help site here. One thing I want to point out here is that the points here don't have cash value. Okay, so there is no PayPal option or anything like that here. To give you an idea how much the points are worth, so 5,000 points is worth about $5. So 1,000 points for $1. So you will need to earn a lot of points in order to get redeemed here, guys. Okay. So the next way you can earn online is using CashMagnetApp.com. Now, Cash Magnet app is only for Android phones, unfortunately. So anyone that has this, though, all you gotta do is install this app, and then you just going to use your phone as usual. We pay for every minute of that time when you do nothing. So you are going to download the app, install it, set up your account, and then you just start using your phone, and then you're going to start earning points. You do not need to perform tasks, watch ads, or play games. Earnings will come in absolutely autonomous and passive mode. Okay, so you are going to just earn money just having it run in the background of your phone. Prepare to earn several times more. Only 2 months of working with Cash App and you can buy another phone that works for you around the clock. That is how thousands of our satisfied users do it. Wow. So you can earn pretty quickly, it sounds like, for this app. So you can get this app here with this code. It's absolutely safe. We guarantee that your data and personal settings will not be used in any way. So that's good. I do want to come down here. So these are the options. So once you earn your points, you're going to have option to cash out with PayPal here, and you can even get Amazon gift cards, and then you're going to get, this is probably Google Play credits, iTunes gift cards, I guess, PlayStation gift cards, and Xbox gift cards. So how much are the points worth? This is pretty important, so I just want to point this out. It's about the same as the Microsoft rewards. It is because the Microsoft rewards set 5,000 points to redeem something worth around $5. So this is about the same. So $1 is worth 1,000 points, or 10 points is worth a penny. You're not going to be earning a lot when you're not going to be doing any work. So you can't really expect too much money from these types of apps, guys, okay? So this is the review for a Cash Magnet. You can see it's a 4-star review, but it's only about 800 people. So that's not a lot of reviews at all. But it would mean that so it's 4.0, and there's been over 100,000 installs. Now, the last app I want to show you is at earnwithdrop.com. So the app itself is just called Drop. And you can find this app on both iTunes Store and the Google Play Store, okay? So everybody is allowed to use this one. And this one you're earning basically on the things that you normally do as well. So you are not doing any work. You just install and do nothing and just carry on, and you're going to start earning. Okay, so let's see what you earn here. So you can earn cash rewards from your favorite brands. Drop is the free app that's giving out millions in cash rewards for the spending you do every day. Turn everyday purchases into cash rewards. So you swipe, tap, scan. If you have a debit or credit card, you're set to earn rewards with every purchase. It's that easy. So this is going to be how it works. First, you're going to link a debit or credit card. So whichever card that you usually use to do your shopping with, I would use that card, okay? What you usually do, you're going to shop at your favorite places, and you go rack up points doing grocery shopping and taking Uber, grabbing a snack, or whatever you're doing with that credit card or debit card. And then you're going to redeem your points once you've collected enough. So you're going to get cash rewards, redeem your Drop points for gift cards when and where you want. Okay? And Drop has very good reviews on the iTunes App Store. It has a 4.7 rating, guys, with over 38,000 people reviewing this app, which is a lot of people reviewing. That means there's a lot more people who are downloading it and using it. But the Google Play is not as much. It's at 3.8, and it's only 5,000 something people reviewing it. So there's a lot less people, and people on Google Play don't like it as much, but people on the iPhones really love it. 4.7. So those are the 3 apps that I want to show you today that you could start earning something online. So of course, guys, you are just basically doing everyday things, so you can't really expect to earn too much. So if you want to actually learn how to make bigger money, like a lot of money that you can actually depend on and have a monthly income coming in online, check out the first link in my video description below, and you will find a way to learn high income skills that you can take with you and earn big money online, guys. Okay, so doing apps like this, you can earn you some fun things online, but it's not going to give you anything worth really having or spending your time on. It's really best to learn some high income online skills, guys, and the training program that I am showing you in my video description below takes you by the hand, gives you step-by-step instructions on how to build a real online business that can make you real big money, guys. Okay, so I hope you liked this video today. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and give me a like on this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? So I hope you make some money online soon. And I'll see you on the next video. Okay, guys? Bye.